Hey B Squad, welcome back to my channel LB Plans. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Elle. I like to share planning, budgeting, and a little bit of lifestyle. I am a married mom of three, which includes a college student, a teenage son, and a 10-year-old diva. So I've seen a few things. If this interests you, please be so kind to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button as well. That lets me and YouTube know that I am doing a good job. Okay, so for today, I am planning my budget for December 2023. Oh my God, I can't believe we're in December, but such is life. Um, I typically try to pick an accent color, but you guys, I'm like 50 shades of purple. Like, I like purple. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really do enjoy the color purple. So I'm trying to figure out what my budget income amount is going to be. So I know what my pay is because I am a salary worker and I get paid twice a month. So my pay is not really changing, although I did make some adjustments to what goes into this account. So my income is a little bit higher than it normally is, but I'm still trying to adjust for those types of things. So right now, I'm expecting my income to be about $5,552. That includes my work pay and $162 for my son to pay for his car insurance and his cell phone. So I'm going through and writing my bills. I try to separate joint bills from solo bills. So my husband and I split our four walls. So that includes our home, our mortgage, electricity, utilities, and internet. So we split our four walls down the middle. So I was super excited that my electric bill was only $76. Well, it's $152, but it's only $76 because I felt like just recently contributing 150 myself. So our joint bills are going to equal 1,165, and then I go to my bills, which are the Accolade. That's my son's housing. That's away in college. Amazon, my Chase, which is really my subscriptions that I list out below, and then my T-Mobile bill. So my solo bills will total $1,262. These are the bills that I can account for. Everything else is considered expenses and they are variable. So the first two would be my fixed, and now these are my variable expenses. So I'm trying to figure out what I have left. 3,125 after my bills. Then I go to what my expenses are. I'm increasing my grocery budget to $700. That is an increase from $200 a few months ago, but I said I was making changes to that because it just wasn't enough. Eating out, in November, I did 100 for the month. That didn't work. So we're going back to the 200. Spending, I give myself $150, but I do split that into three categories. Grooming is 100, gas is 150, household is 100. My younger kids get $30 each, and then I'm putting $50 towards fun, which I'm pretty sure will spend a whole lot more than that. I got this new calculator from Amazon. It's very cute, but I'm getting used to the buttons. My old calculator was just not friendly to me, so we're going to make it do what it do. So my total expenses that will go in my cash envelopes is $1,510. Now, somewhere when I was doing my bills, I forgot to put my PayPal amount. So PayPal would go under my bills, which is an extra $30. That's why you see it written down below. So after all of that is deducted, I have 1585 for sinking funds. Real talk, that is a lot. But again, I got to make some adjustments to my pay or how much I contribute to this account. So right now, we're just going to make it work. And I kind of I don't save annually for some things. I want to get to that mode, but I'm more of a reactor right now, just because I'm trying to get back into the full swing of budgeting for everything. So I'm kind of budgeting for things as they come, if that makes sense. So Costco still is 150. I increased that over last month because I was contributing 100, but I'm removing Sam's and combining them both. So it's 150. Car maintenance is 50 for this month. Blue Green, which is my dues for my timeshare that I've had for way too long that I don't use, is $30. New Year's is $40. New Year's is to help buy gift cards. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but we play a lot of games with my kids on New Year's. My son said he was coming up for our New Year, so we can play games. It's like an annual thing. We have, no lie, at least I think we have 12 versions of Monopoly, which is insane. And other board games and stuff like that. So I don't know. So I want to help contribute to the gift cards because normally my husband gets them. And if I help contribute, then I can help determine which gift cards we get because I'm tired of the ones that we are getting. LB Plans is getting $20. HOA is 10. Sapphire fee, which is due in April, I'm putting 20 in that. Car insurance, I'm putting $500 in there. Again, it's due in January. By putting 500 in there this month, that'll get me to 2,000, and that should cover my portion and my son's portion. And then my husband will contribute his amount, and then we'll pay our car insurance in the middle of January. Class of 2025 gets 33. Class of 2027 also gets 33. I am putting $290 in my 80 envelope challenge. I am using this to help get money for my property taxes, if that makes sense. So, and then I have the penny challenge, which I'm putting 204 in there. And then I'm also contributing to my property taxes. And I am doing a December overview. So I'm going to complete the rest of this towards the end of the month, just to have kind of like a placeholder of where I am on certain things. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down for me below. Bye.